Avoiding commercial roof repair in Lake Worth, Texas may seem impossible, and in some situations it is. After all, you can't help the age of your Tarrant County commercial roof, nor can you control if storm damage occurs. Leaks are one of the most common repairs required for commercial roofing. How can you avoid these problems? One of the best ways to avoid leaks is to take care of what is placed on your commercial roof. If you can opt to have your HVAC units on the ground, do so. It is one less thing that could cause damage to your roof. Not to mention you'll have significantly reduced foot traffic on your roof. To be proactive so you catch leaks before they cause massive damage, make sure that you have your commercial roof inspected routinely by professionals. In addition, take the time every few months to walk around the interior of the building to visually inspect for any signs of leaks. While you can't always avoid commercial roof repair in Lake Worth, Texas, you can be vigilant and proactive to prevent significant damage caused by leaks. Call First Texas Roofing when you need commercial roof repair at 817-821-0323 for a free estimate.